I have a ridiculous problem on Sequoia. I have 90 gigabytes of system data, and I had no idea how to actually find the big files on Finder. Anyway, so I've been searching online. Everyone says that you need to go to the cache. So what I did, you go to Finder, which is here, and then you have to click on library by clicking on go and then library. Okay, so here we are in the library, and as you can see, I'm gonna arrange it. The cache only takes up a small proportion. Cache is actually only here, which is 5 gigabytes. So there's something else taking a lot of space. Now, if you can't see the sizes there, which I could not, which is so frustrating, ridiculous, you actually have to press Command J on your keyboard to bring up this screen. Well, it worked before. Anyway, when you click, oh my goodness, that's so ridiculous, I've lost it. I don't know, sometimes it goes to this one, and then sometimes it goes to the thing that I was looking for, which is, here we go. So randomly it's gone. I don't know, I was clicking around and you just get this screen now. You need to find this and you click on calculate all sizes. Otherwise, it will not show you the size of the folders, which is absolutely ridiculous. Like what? Anyway, so now that I've clicked that, at least I can see, click that size, and I can see here that my iCloud drive is massive and getting bigger. I've got this group containers, whatever that means, and then you can see mail takes up a lot of space, messages take a lot of space. So this is a good way of just seeing where all your massive files are in your library. I hope that helps someone, because I had no idea how to look at the size of folders before, but at least now I have some idea where all the massive files are. And yeah, so all the best to you guys.